We provide a 700 watt microwave at Heathmere. The controls are on the right hand side with the top controls for the power, where you have a low, medium, medium high and high, and then you have your timer at the bottom. Now that timer corresponds to up to 35 minutes, and it can also do wait if you're doing the defrost function, which is medium low. So if you select medium low and then turned it to here 0.2, that would be 0.2 kilos, that would be 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 and 1. That's for defrost. If you're using it on a timer function, so for example on medium, then these numbers correspond to the minutes. To activate the microwave, you just turn to the desired time, such as 1 minute. The light will come on and the microwave will start. If you wish to stop the microwave prematurely before the timer, you just turn this, it will ping, and then you push the button, open, and then remove your contents. If you do spill anything, please can you wipe it on the inside to prevent it from being burnt on. That's how to use the microwave. Thank you.